Hey, it's Seth the Rough Country, and I'm gonna show you how all of our RC products have helped me level up my 2019 Toyota Tacoma, and I'm gonna show you right now. Starting off with my suspension, we've got the Papa Bear of Pinnacle off-road performance, and I believe if you're gonna be a bear, you better be a grizzly. So I've got the 3.5-inch Vertex system on my truck. This allows me to adjust my ride, whether I'm out west on a different level of terrain or whether I'm on a hunting, fishing trip in different environments. It's lifted the height that I want it to be. The wheel and tire combo that I'm rocking and rolling on is the KMC Mesa wheels. It's a 17x9 with a -12 offset. That way it gives me a little bit wider look, a little bit more aggressive, paired with the BF Goodrich KM3 mud terrain tires. I have absolutely loved these tires. I've put them through a lot of different environments. And also, if you want some nice looking aesthetics, we've got our Rough Country caliper covers. That red pops through the wheels. Moving to the front, we've got our Rough Country high clearance bumper. And from being a little kid, I've always been fascinated with the aggressive look that a truck can have. And this product is really exciting. It's also paired with our 20-inch Black Series LED light bar. Next, we're gonna head to the top. And up here, we have our roof rack that has been fabricated right here at Rough Country. It's been designed right here at Rough Country here in Tennessee, and I love the look. If you ask me what's one thing that I value most in life, and that's gear and organization, and this rack allows me to do both of those things, carry a lot of gear and stay organized. On the top here, we've got our 40-inch Black Series LED light bar. That way, no matter what trail I'm on or what time of the day, I can light up the trail, see where I'm going. Now on to the back. We've got a couple products here that are prototypes that we are testing out daily to try to give you the best product, and I am really excited about them because I'm using them a lot. Over to the back of the truck, we have a lot of product organized for a specific purpose. In the bed of the truck, we have our Molle Rack system. We've got the paneling on each side and on the front there, paired with our new Molle mounts, which is going to allow you to mount gear, lights. A couple of our Rough Country products that I have mounted in our Molle system is our tow strap and then our 12-volt air compressor. That way you can air up, air down. Down on the bottom here, I have our 2-inch Class 3 multi-ball hitch. That way I can haul different trailers with different size receivers on it. I get asked a lot, what are those wild looking things on the top of your truck? These are our Rough Country traction boards. In other words, recovery boards. So if you're stuck in a situation, you can dig yourself out a little bit, put these under whichever tire you need to, and be able to get yourself out. Another important component to my system is being able to cover up my truck bed. So our Rough Country soft top roll up is a solution for me. It allows me to have my bed rack here, be able to roll this down, roll it up, have access to all the things I have in my bed, and then when I want to lock it up, I'll roll it back and be ready to rock. I didn't like the look of the OEM exhaust, so I added our Rough Country exhaust tip. I love the way it looks, it's a good size, and it's on brand with the look and style of my truck. Welcome to the inside of my rig. One of our products that I love is our 8-gang MLC system. Turn on any lights that I already have mounted, and then when I cut it off, it goes straight back to the previous settings that I had it on, and this is such a good way to control your light system just with the ease of a button. Mud, dirt, nasty pants and boots are a common thing in my life and the passengers that travel with me. So our heavy duty floor mats and our seat covers have been two products that are really, really good for me. Toyota made this truck, but Rough Country has truly helped make it mine and represent who I am and what I do, and that's exactly what Rough Country can do for you too.